Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find the CVV2 number on your debit card or credit card. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. The CVV2 number is usually required when you are making purchases online or over the phone. Most websites will ask for your card number, expiration date, and the CVV2 number to complete the payment. In most cases, the CVV2 number is located on the back of your debit card or credit card. You will usually find it near the signature strip. Most cards have a 3-digit CVV2 number printed there. Sometimes the code may also be labeled as CVV or CVC depending on the card issuer, but they are generally referring to the same security code used for verification. Some cards may have the security code printed on the front of the card instead of the back. This is less common, but it does happen with certain card types. In some situations, you may also see both a 3-digit code and a 4-digit code printed on the card. If that happens, the correct code can depend on the card issuer and payment system you are using. For most debit cards and credit cards, the CVV2 number will simply be the 3-digit number located on the back near the signature area. That's it. That is how you can find the CVV2 number on your debit card or credit card. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.